Hey, what's going on, Victor? My name's Kyle with Millsap Digital Marketing. I wanted to reach out and make you a video that will bring you and your business value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personally optimize your website and drive in more traffic. I have 3 tips I'd like to share with you. My first tip is content and keywords. Now, what Google cares about is not how awesome your website looks, but what kind of content is on your page. Google typically wants to see a lot of content, and the websites with the most content are going to be the ones with the most authority on the topic. Google wants to give its users the best experience possible by ensuring it has everything that they need. So I recommend that you have at least 1,500 words on your page. So when I go into your page and I push Command A and then Command C to copy everything, I can take it over here into Word Counter and paste it in. And you have 210 words. Your competition, Phoenix Electricians, copy and paste their content. And they have 942 words. So along with that content, you also need to have buyer intent keywords. Buyer intent keywords are the words people are typing into the Google search bar. So we use a tool called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, and essentially they buy data from Google. So I searched electricians in Phoenix, and I came up with 3 keywords that you should have in your content. I have electricians Phoenix, Electrician Phoenix AZ, Phoenix Electrician. These 3 keywords are being searched 900 times a month. And that's a lot of potential customers. When I go into your website and I push Command F to bring up my search bar, and I type in Electricians Phoenix, it's nowhere to be found on your website. So Google's not finding you for that. Your competition, he has it all over. He has it up in his title, next to his phone number, Phoenix Electricians, and he has it throughout his content multiple times. So when Google scans this page, they're finding them for that keyword. So my next tip for you is backlinks. Backlinks are links throughout the web that when clicked on will bring the user back to your website. Backlinks are very important. It's essentially having a popularity contest. So the ones with the most backlinks wins. Google's looking at other sites that are pointing at you and vouching for you, saying, hey, this is actually a really trustworthy website and that they offer a great service. So not all backlinks are created equal, though. Google, they want to see backlinks that are relevant to you, such as other electrical companies or other home improvement companies that have links linking back to your website. You do not want backlinks coming from, say Pizza Hut, because, well, you're not a food company, so the more relevant, the better. I also use Ahrefs to check for these backlinks. And there are free tools out there for you. You just have to Google backlink finder, backlink checker or keyword finder. You can find all the free tools that you need to be able to do this yourself. So at the moment, these are the stats on your page. This is the URL rating. This is how powerful your site is. This is the domain rating, and this is how trustworthy your website is. At the moment, you have 0 traffic coming into your website. You do have 1 referring domain resulting in 2 backlinks. Your competition, however, has a URL rating of 28. That's how powerful it is. And a domain rating of 1.9, the trust factor. You want these 2 numbers to be close together to 1 as possible, but you want these numbers to continually rise. At the moment, they have 454 organic traffic coming into their site. If half of that resulted into a phone call, which is 227 phone calls a month, and maybe 15% of that actually turned into a job, that's another 34 jobs a month. So how do you beat them out? So you need more backlinks. So they have 92 referring domains, giving them a total of 592 backlinks. How do you get those backlinks? You just go into the referring domains, and each and every one of these websites has a link linking back to them. So you can go in and get the same thing, called the copycat method. You can go into each one of these websites. Some you just have to create a profile, and you can add your website in that way. Others, you're going to have to go to the contact us and email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise on their website. And my last tip for you is my favorite tip, and that is be the number 1 on the Google Map Pack. In my opinion, it's the best spot to be in. If you're anything like me and you're trying to find a service that you've never used before, I'll say electricians. I'm new to Phoenix, so I'll type in electricians in Phoenix, and this will be the very first thing that pops up. So this is right where I'm going to go, because to me, it just seems to be the most trustworthy spot. And how do you beat them out? Well, you need more citations than they have. And all a citation is your business name, your business phone number, and your business address listed in more directories than they have. A directory is like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, White Pages, Yellow Pages. Even Facebook's considered a directory nowadays. There's thousands of them. So I hope this was helpful for you. Just a quick recap. Blow your competition out of the water by getting 1,500 words on your home page with those buyer intent keywords. Think of all the backlinks your competition has and get them linking back to you. And finally, add your business name, your business phone number, and your business address, all spelled the same, all across the internet and more directories than your competition has. If you follow these 3 tips, you will blow your competition out of the water. So you're probably wondering what to do now. Well, you can take this information I gave you, apply it yourself, and I totally encourage you to do that. It does take some time to do, so I would get started sooner than later. So it's going to take a little while to get your website to rank to the top. So if you have any questions for me or you need any help doing this, you're more than welcome to reach out to me. My phone number is 480-605-0508. Thanks for watching, Victor.